The LiftWise Electric Pneumatic Rollover Stand offers safe and precise rotation during component installation. The sliding length adjustment accommodates multiple component sizes. Pneumatic self-locking clamps lock the part in place during rotation. Smooth electronic rotation can be stopped in any position for ergonomic assembly work. Safety guards protect the operator and give a clear visual of the operation. Additional rollover stands are available and can be customized to meet your specific application, including higher load capacity, special features, and size requirements. LiftWise, customized material handling solutions.